In this captivating video, we delve into the fascinating world of Xanthic. The term Xanthic is an adjective used to describe anything of a yellow or yellowish color. It originates from the Greek word xanthos, meaning yellow, and it embodies the brightness and warmth associated with this vibrant hue. Picture a sunflower field bathed in golden sunlight, its xanthic petals swaying in the breeze. Or envision a xanthic sunset casting its radiant glow across the horizon, painting the sky with shades of amber and gold. Throughout history, artists and poets have been inspired by the allure of xanthic shades, using them to evoke emotions of joy, energy, and optimism. From Van Gogh's sunflowers to romantic poems praising the golden rays of dawn, xanthic hues have left an indelible mark on our culture. Join us on this chromatic journey as we explore the captivating world of xanthic colors, celebrating the beauty and significance of this mesmerizing shade. Discover how xanthic tones infuse life with brightness, and learn how this dynamic color continues to influence our perceptions and creativity. Embrace the brilliance of xanthic, and let its splendor fill your world with vivid wonder.